everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach again. Today we're going to talk about how to create and use a short list of your favorite radio stations using presets. To do so, you're going to want to start on your home screen, navigate over to Media, click on that, and it'll display all your various radio stations at this point. We'll start with Sirius XM stations, and you would go ahead and select one of your favorite stations here, and then scroll to the right and click on Add to Presets. You'll hear that chime to let you know that it's added that preset. So let's pick another one in Sirius XM. Let's say we like to listen to this station. Click on that, scroll to the right, click Add to Presets, and there we've saved 2 stations. Let's go down to some FM radio stations here, and let's just say the current station here is one of our favorites, so let's go ahead and add that to our preset list. And let's pick another one, say this one, click Add to Presets, and just for fun, let's go ahead and add an AM radio station, click Add to Presets. And now let's review what we have in there. You'll notice after we started saving these presets, a new menu item comes up on your media menu, and it calls itself presets. So when we click on that, it displays that short list of presets that we created, and from there we can just jump around to whichever station we'd like to listen to. Just as a best practice as well, guys, we can go ahead and highlight this presets menu item and then save that in one of our favorites button on your dash. So now, regardless of where you are with your infotainment system, to pull up that preset list, we simply hit our favorites button and it displays that short list of items for us to use. So have fun setting up all your radio presets. We'd love to hear how you make out. Come see us here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.